Okay, now we're going to cover from Savannah to Charleston, mile marker 583 to 463, or 67. Same chart you've seen many times before. What do we got? Explorer web page. It has the same charts. They can be accessed via Aquamap, CIQ, and iNavX icons, or from my guide, which you just updated to the March or the into the March 2002 update, and from real-time user input at the ICW Facebook page. Now you're going to see a blue dotted line on all these charts. That was my fall 2019-20 track from Hampton to Key West, available for free download. I'll be covering how to do that later on in the presentations, yet to be recorded. And there will be a new track available when I finally get to go north this spring. Okay, first thing to discuss right north of Savannah is Elba Cut. All you have to do here is stay away from R2 and R4 somewhat. You don't want to go right down there. You run into 5.6, 5.6, maybe even less. But if you take the blue dotted line route, you'll see a good solid 9-10 feet all the way, if not more. Easy. Now, Phil's Cut has been dredged. We do not have a survey after it's been dredged, so I can't help you with what it looks like right now. But we know it's been dredged. I'm not sure where the buoys are at, but when they dredge, they never disturb what's in the channel. They have to transport the material somewhere else, over on land or far away. Not there. You have to be on land. I don't know where they put it, but they won't put it here. So if you're unsure exactly what to do, if the positions are not clear, you can always revert to following the blue line for about 9 feet of mean low water. And by the way, when you go through there, report back on the forum what you found. We haven't had a lot of people go through Finwood Cut and tell us what depths they see after the dredging was done. Now this one here is what comes up next. And you see there's two buoys you'll find very close together, R40 and G39. And you see towards the red, it gets very shoaly, down to 4 feet, 5 feet. And people have reported having problems coming through there. For myself, when I've been through the last 10 years, I've measured anywhere from 4 feet to 9 feet on what I thought was a identical track. And people are saying, well, it depends upon when the last barge went through. It's like a barge does automatic dredging. Currently, when I went through, it was 8.5 feet on that blue dotted line, and I don't expect it to change all that much, but it has been variable. So pay attention to what's happening, and look at the Aquamap survey to help you stay exactly in the deepest part. Don't stray over that. That's not very far away. Brickyard Creek is easy. You just stay off the red side. Here's the red side. Follow the blue line and you have 10 feet. Not a problem. Now we get into Ashby-Kusal cutoff. The depths here vary quite a bit. This thing was dredged to 10 feet, and it's hopelessly shoaling in again. 5.5 has been reported. 6.5 has been reported. And you can see in this survey that there's a lot of red, which is shallow water, even though it supposedly was dredged at one point in time down to 12 feet. It was shoaled in. So depending on your draft, you may have to use some tide to get through. So Ashby-Cusall cutoff can be a problem at low tide on the southern part of it. Fenwick Cut is not a problem, about 7 feet on the blue line at the northern exit. And now we get to Watts Cut. Watts Cut also was dredged, and it's been shoaling. You may expect less than 6.7 because shoaling doesn't go away, it only increases. So be careful when you go through. But it used to be 4.5 and 4, so it's an improvement over that. And pay attention to what you're doing and stay on the blue line as much as you can. This is Dawho River right south of the McKinley-Washington Bridge before you get to Dawho River exit. And all you want to do is not go right down the middle because you're running to 5 feet. Just follow the blue line and stay off the red side of the channel, and you'll be fine. And here we have Dawho River. Now, there was an error in the way the data was accumulated, and all this is shoal. You have to either go on the side indicated by 1, 2, 3, 4, which is where my blue dotted line went, or make the attempt to follow the old channel, which is down this way, which I definitely would not advise because it's only 90 feet wide and it's not marked, and you can't tell where you're at. If you make a mistake, you're right into 3-foot shoal immediately. This one you have nice and wide. You have plenty of room, and unfortunately at that instant I don't believe it's marked yet. So you got to load, either follow the blue line or follow the downloadable chart for Dawho River, which you can find in the section. You see these numbers here. Those are the depths recorded by USACE the last time we went through there, which is only several months ago. And you see 10 feet, 11 feet right over the top of this little item on the chart that says it's solid ground. So obviously the chart is wrong. Although it looks a little intimidating when you try and go on that route and you see ahead of you on the chart that you're going to run into a solid line. Well, it's not true. It's not there. It's phantom. So just go and trust and go that way. You won't have a problem. And that covers getting to Charleston. And I will cover from Charleston northward on the next session.